So good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome to Chillin' with me, Miss Leisure. We are actually in Seattle, Washington right now, and we're going on a 7-night Alaskan cruise. We're going with Ovation of the Seas with Royal Caribbean. It's crazy out here. As you can see, so many luggages. People are getting ready to go on board. There's another ship over there. I believe it's Celebrity. But we're at the port here in Seattle, Washington. And this is our ship here, guys. So we're getting ready to check in. It's so beautiful. It's like 65 degrees and sunny. It's a really, really nice day here in Seattle. So let's go ahead and head in. Let's check in. But I just wanted to show you the crowd. So many people, buses, taxis, dropping people off. We got to make sure we get on the right ship. There's 2 ships here. So there's a sign up here that directs us. So Ovation of the Sea is to our left and Celebrities to the right. So we actually have a suite on this ship. So we need to check in the, I think there's a section for suite guests. So we'll see where we're at. And we're in the right line. So we're going to go ahead and check in. Here I have my passport. We're inside already. We're already checked in, pre-checked in. Now in security line. Thank God we have the party line. Look how long that line is over there. So our line is short. Very cool security. We're ready to get onto the ship. Here it is, Ovation of the Seas. And we're heading up there. The luggages are getting loaded as we speak. It's not going to be in the room until like around 1 o'clock or so. But we can go into the ship and enjoy and, have all the amenities. You can eat, you can drink. We have the drink package. So you can do all the stuff you want on the ship. Except use the casino, because we got to be out and sea. Thank you. We already had lunch on the ship. Believe in the buffet. Our room's ready, but I want to walk on the outside. Let's see. There's a lot of sitting area here. So here over there, you can see that Space Needle that I went to yesterday. This is a nice place to do breakfast, guys. I love doing breakfast at the back of the ship in the mornings. Except we're going to Alaska, so it might be cold. But it's actually really beautiful now. It's probably 70 degrees. Nice fresh air. Here you can see the other ship, Celebrity. They're also going on Alaskan Cruise. Tons of people on that ship too. Looks like the ship we're on right now, Ovation of the Sea, is bigger than that Celebrity X Cruises. Gosh, this weather is so beautiful, guys. I can't even explain to you. It feels so refreshing and nice. You can see downstairs, several people are coming in. I think they have until like 3 o'clock to head into the boat. So it's 1 p.m. now. So they still got a couple hours. So tons of people are still coming in. There's different times to check in, so everybody get a scheduled time to check in, roughly a time. So we were 11 o'clock and we came in at 11:30, so we did good. This is my stamp, guys. That was my stamp to get into security because we were in the suite. We don't need it anymore. I just have it still stuck on here. Let's head inside. We're gonna attempt to get up to the floor because our room's ready. We're gonna go back to the buffet and Darren will show you. So up here, you'll be coming up to the buffet with different stations. Here's a dessert station. We got hot dogs and burgers over here. They've got veggie burgers. Then they have the market cabaret area and a deli area. International favorites. We have some garden freshness and fruit. So a big variety. There's a beverage station on the side. If you want fresh coffee or tea, juices. Oh, there's a bakery up there as well. Pretty nice area in here. Wide variety and selections. This is a hand washing station, so when you were to come into the buffet, you gotta wash your hands before entering. And now, thank you. And now people are lined up here for that elevator. So we have to go, this is the 14th floor. We have to go down to the 7th.